Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Just want to go ahead and talk through your assignments for this week as we head into this week and next week as our last weeks of school here and kind of what we're kind of wrapping up here and looking at for our last few assignments. And so I just first off want to say, just in light of everything going on right now, guys, both in our country and in our city, I just want to say I love you guys and I miss you. And if there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. Please reach out. Mr. and Mrs. Cusick are a great resource if you need someone to talk to about everything that's going on and how you're feeling and how you and your family have been affected. And I just want to say that I love you and I care for you guys, and I'm here if you need anything. But please do not hesitate if you need someone to talk to reach out to Mr. and Mrs. Cusick. They are such a great resource at our school. And would love to talk to you about anything that you have going on right now. So let's go ahead and look at this week's assignments and what we've got going there. And so this week, guys, we're working on a very similar skill to what we did last week. So simplifying rational expressions by just multiplying this week. And you're going to be using the same skills that you've been using as far as factoring and finding the GCF and expanding. There's just one new thing this week, and your new thing is being able to first find a GCF and then factor. And so I'll kind of show you how we broke that down for this week. So this week, right on Monday, we have our intro and our check-in. And something new this week is this document right here. This document answers some common questions that I've been getting in your check-ins about when is virtual learning ending? What happened to the SATs? What about the PSATs that I was going to take this year? Those common questions. What about my grade? How can I improve my grade? Those are common questions I've been getting from you guys. And so those are answered in that document. So please feel free to read through that, especially juniors when the SAT is. It's some really good information on there on what to expect for that and when those dates have been moved. But what we have this week for our lessons, we've got multiplying rationals practice problems. And first we're starting off with some notes. So here I have some videos for you guys to take some notes on. This first one right here, factoring with a Gcf lesson. This is review from what we did in class, but it's very important that you watch this and you go through these problems and really get them good and strong, because when we add them into the other lessons, it can get very confusing very quickly. So make sure you go through this video and take those notes first before moving on to these two videos right here, because there's a lot that's happening all at once in these problems. And if you don't have the skill very solid at the beginning, it's going to make it that much harder. So on Tuesday, you're going to go through, take some notes. Wednesday is your practice day. So make sure you're going through, watching these videos, get back out that same notebook, and then you guys have some practice problems on Delta Math assigned to you to go through and complete. Remember, if you're getting stuck, to use the resources that are available to you so that it can show you an example problem solved out and kind of use those resources and use the notes that you have. If you're stuck on how to type in your answer, make sure you watch this video. And then again, I'll be doing a live lesson on Thursday at 11 if you would like to join me to get any extra help on the topics for this week. So Thursday at 11, I'll have a live lesson going over some more of these problems here. And then the last thing you have for this week on Thursday is to submit a 2-question mastery FA. Make sure you take your time on this. You're welcome to use your notes. You're welcome to go back and watch the videos. But you've got 2 questions there to kind of show me that you've mastered these skills. Thursday is when I'll be updating our gradebook. For those of you who are missing work from previous weeks, everyone needs to be checking their email to see if that's you. I'm sending you guys emails. I'm sending you guys reminds. I'm using talking points to send messages to your parents at home to get you guys caught up on any missing assignments that we have, because we have this week and we have next week, and that's all we've got, guys. So there's no more time of like, I'll just do Algebra 2 later. We're running out of time, guys, and I want to make sure that you earn your credit for this semester. So please make sure that you check your email or check Infinite Campus on if you have any missing assignments. You're looking in the instructional feedback section there in anything titled with COVID. Okay. So that's what we've got for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, my office hours, if you'd like to join me, here's those 2 links right there that you're welcome to click and use. I'd love to see you guys in the office hours and help you in any way that I can as we kind of wrap up this semester. But kind of going forward here, guys, again, in light of just everything going on, please know that you are loved and cared for by so many of your teachers, not just myself, but your other teachers as well. And we're here for you if you need anything, and want to support you in any way that we can. So that's what we've got going for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to reach out. All right, guys, I hope to see you soon. I miss you. Bye.